Hi yogis, have you ever wondered why yogis look so happy? I'm going to tell you now some secrets that you will learn. And one of the things is about the way that we come into our practice with that kindness, the way we use our breath, the way it helps calm our system, and the way we nourish our minds with a diet of really positively reinforcing messages. We have many people say that yoga has been quite transformational for them, and that is because it allows them to really come home to themselves and connect with inner essence, which is something that we can lose sometimes. The other reason why yogis are so happy, you get to take a shavasana at the end of the class, and we invite you to rest in child's pose at any time. So I'm going to quickly take you through these most favorite poses generally from a traditional yoga class. So a child's pose can be done a couple of different ways. It's a resting pose that we come to any time in yoga. You're allowed to come into this pose and rest, come back into the essence of the breath and reconnect to yourself. But it's also a really good release out for the lumbar spine, and it is a forward fold, so it's inherently calming for our nervous system. It's a great one to take at home if you've had a really challenging day. There's a couple of different ways to do it. You can pop the knees in, curl yourself around, and let your thighs be a pillow for your belly. The hands can come out, just extending and stretching into the shoulders, and the head rests down. And here the breathing becomes important. So your head would be down, but obviously it's difficult to hear me if I do that. We're going to breathe into the back of the ribs. So often when we get quite stressed, we come into clavicular breathing or anterior breathing. We breathe up high into the front of the body. But if you bring your awareness in child's pose to gathering the breath to collect into the back of the ribs, you'll find that it's really calming and the body just naturally rounds and curls into that safe space. So the other pose that we'll quickly talk about is wonderful shavasana, which is a resting pose, and it's amazing when we take a pause from life, what a difference that 5 minutes can make to transforming the whole rest of our day. So shavasana can be done a number of different ways as well, but probably the best way is simply to lie on down and to allow your body to be spacious. So I invite you maybe now to take a shavasana. Shavasana means corpse pose, which sounds kind of a little frightening, but what it simply means is it's an ultimate surrender. So not asleep, but in giving up and allowing the tissues to soften. So here you can just see my body is gently puddling out into the floor. You can feel the energy of the earth grounding it. And here we close down the eyes, just align the head and let the body grow soft. Maybe take 5 or 10 minutes out and practice your shavasana at home. I hope to see you in our beginner classes soon. Bye, yogis.